Please go, please go, please go.
Oh, there's smoke. Oh shit, I bet you it's burning again.
With the door closed, I'm very scared to go in there.
Yeah, let's go around.
We may just have to toss the whole book of matches at the fuse. Anything? Just
Light half of them.
yeah, light half of them. Put it directly in that little tube.
Oh.
Is it going?
It's gonna. This is gonna go pop.
Oh!
Oh
What?
fuck!
Oh!
Hey! Dave, I should have shut the door on that one.
Holy shit, dude! You really should have shut the door, you egghead.
Let's look at the other one.
The other
You
one?
want to get another one?
We can't waste all of them.
I know, but
You know what? Fuck it. Grab another one.
do we have them with us?